Okay, let's keep it then with some more trading ideas and what to watch out for then in trade today. Ruchit Jain, Sumit Bagadia also now join in. Ruchit, take us through your top recommendations then, and it's clearly an all-buy list today.
Yeah, hi, good morning. Well, overall, I've chosen to buy three stocks because if we observe overall Nifty movement, then the Nifty is trading in a broad range of 7950 to 7750. So when the market is already down by 80 odd points, and if the market's correct now to the lower end of the range, so rather than going short after this correction has already happened, I think one should look to buy the stocks at the lower end of the range around 7750. So all the three stocks I've recommended are the stocks which have shown time-wise correction and have consolidated. First buy call is a buy in TCS. We have seen since the last couple of months the stock was consolidating in this range of 2550 to 2400. Now yesterday's trading session it gave initial signs of the breakout from this range. Today's pullback move I believe is a good opportunity to enter again long into the stock. The stock probably is showing signs of resumption of the uptrend. So keeping a stop loss below 2480, one should go long on TCS with target of 2650. My second call I've recommended is a buy call in CESC. Again, this stock has shown a time-wise correction rather than a price correction in recent past. If you observe the move from 29th of March, then it's clearly an 5-wave impulsive up move in which prices are currently trading in 4th wave, which is a sideways movement. So I'm expecting a 5th wave up move of this impulsive up leg, which should cross the recent high of 555. So one can buy CESC with stop loss below 518 and keep a target of 592 in near term. My third call is a buy call in Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals probably in recent past had started forming this higher top higher bottom formation, and the super trend indicator which is a trend following indicator is indicating a continuation of the uptrend in this stock. So keeping a stop loss below 407, one should look to buy Tata Chemical for short term, and the upside target could be placed around 438.
Okay. That's a view coming in, Ruchit. Bullish on TCS, CESC and Tata Chemicals. Time to move right on and nail it down to some other top recommendations. We've got Sumit Bagadia. Sumit, welcome to the show. What's on the radar today?
Hi, good morning, Avan. Well, as far as trading bet is concerned, we have selected few stocks which are on sell side. And stocks are looking weak. As far as Nifty is concerned, there can be some correction in the Nifty from present level. So we have selected few stocks which looks weak on charts. As far as first trading bet is concerned, I think Oro Pharma has given a breakdown, and it has broken the low of past 3 days, which says that some correction can be seen in Oro Pharma from present levels. On downside, I think we are expecting Oro Pharma to test levels of around 770, 750 soon. So if anyone wants to initiate a sell position, then can initiate at around 800, 805 levels with a stop loss to be placed at 822 on higher side, and downside immediate targets would be 770, and if 770 is taken away, then we can see extended targets till 750 levels in next 1 week 10 days time horizon. Well, the second pick for the day is from banking. PNB looks weak on charts. We have seen from past 10 to 15 days. In past 10 to 15 days, all the banking stocks have given a sharp correction from higher levels. And at present, PNB is making new lows, which says that from present levels, fresh sell-off can be seen, in which there is a possibility that we might see levels of around 72 or 70 in next couple of days. So for a trading perspective, if anyone wants to initiate a sell position, then can initiate at around 79 or 80 levels in PNB with a stop loss to be placed at 83 rupees on higher side for the downside and immediate target of 72 levels. Well, the third stock for the day is Century Textile. Well, after a consolidation of 4-5 days, today it seems that Century Textile is giving some movement, and the movement is on downside. We feel that Century Textile can move down to 600 or 580 levels in next couple of days. So for a trading perspective, if anyone wants to initiate a position in Century Textile, then can initiate at around 615, 620 levels with a stop loss to be placed at 640 on higher side, and for the downside target of 580 levels in next couple of days.
Okay, those are some trading ideas coming in from Sumit Bagadia. Do watch out for all those stocks. But let's shift focus then to Magma FinCorp. The company posted numbers recently, and the profits have been above estimates, and NII growth, though, has been a bit muted. Speak to Sanjay Chambria, VC and MD of Magma FinCorp. Then he joins us on the show. Great to have you with us, sir. First up, if you can take us through your result highlights and what has led to a high profit growth of about 25% despite your NII